Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video we're going to be taking a look at the best smart LED strips for under 30 bucks. You can get these on Amazon. I'll throw a link in the description, but these are 32.8 foot strips. You have music sync, voice control. You can use it on the Amazon Alexa app, Google Home app. It is Wi-Fi compatible. This is a two-piece, which you'll see what I mean in a minute. Now these are fully app-based, so there's no remote. The only way to do it is the app or these two. What is included in the package? You have voice control, device sharing, vast color options, music mode, remote control, and easy installation. And it outputs 12 volts, 1 amp. Let's get into this. Good. Have power supply. Another power supply. 5 mounting clips and a 3M adhesive. You have another 5 clips and another 3M adhesive. You have the Wi-Fi connectivity. And then you have another Wi-Fi receiver. Another strip. And then lastly, you have the user manual with very clear instructions. Name of the app in case you want to download it. The strips, here it is, nicely wrapped. Connectors where you can be able to cut it, and you can cut it in between. One of these. Power cable. Now to set this up, all you have to do is plug it in. Plug this in. And then from here, when these strips are like this, you put it in like this. That's it, simple. And then they'll go into pairing mode, which you can pair with your app and so on and so forth, and then you can change the color. But once they are set up, then yeah, you'll be good to go. You do have 2 strips, which means you can be able to do both in separate areas or however you want. A little example, if you have a Google Home Mini, a Google or an Echo Dot or an Echo, then you can set these up with the app and you can be able to command them like this. So just say the keyword, change the lights to teal.
Got it. Changing BTO1T to teal.
And it changes really quickly. The lights to purple.
Alright, changing BTO1T.
Change the lights to pink.
Alright, changing BTO1T to pink.
It's to green.
Sure, changing BTO1T to green. Sure, setting BTO1T brightness to 3%.
Change the brightness to 100%.
Got it. Setting BTO1T brightness to 100%.
Turn off all lights.
Alright, turning off BTO1T.
Lights.
Alright, turning on BTO1T.
Lights.
Alright, turning on the bedroom lights.
Music mode, you could change it in the app, but this is what it looks like.
Sure, turning the bedroom lights off.
Mode is alright. It's not the best. It's not better than the next Lumi lights or the Govi lights, but it's cool that they added it in there. Really, really nice and thoughtful.